In this video, I'm gonna showing it to you how can you include menu on your Wix website. So let's get back to the screen, and at first you need to go to the plus icon, add element, and then you need to find here menu and anchor, and under the menu and anchor you can see here theme menu, horizontal menu, and here have the vertical menu as well. So as your wish, you can include the vertical menu, the horizontal menu, and this is the theme menu. Theme menu and horizontal menu are the same. Themes mean that design have on your theme. Wix automatically match the menu design with that color. So simply you just need to hold it and you need to put it on your header part, and it will be included here. You just need to rearrange it at the very from the top left and bottom right. Okay, so look like that way you can include menu on your Wix editor. Thank you so much.